In a world that rushes us from one moment to the next, demanding our attention be split between countless obligations and distractions, it's a rare privilege to be here together now. I invite you to cast aside the weight of yesterday's worries and the uncertainty of tomorrow, and instead join me in the present, where our senses are alive, our thoughts focused, and our hearts beat in unison with the rhythm of now. For me, it was once unimaginable that I would be here today. I find myself sharing a story close to my heart because I had to become my own ally in a quest for life and well-being. I'm here as a passionate advocate for something that affects each and every one of us, our health. You might wonder what it means to advocate for one's health and why does it matter? Well, simply, it's your health, and no one lives it but you. You get only one health and one life, and that's why your health and you matter. How do I know? A simple incident happened and changed everything in my life when a mug crashed onto my foot, instantly short-circuiting my central nervous system as if I were being electrocuted. This led to 21 years of chronic pain, high doses of prescribed opioids, and multiple severe lung conditions. I trusted my doctors to be my sole advocates, yet despite their efforts, I found myself at a crossroads, declared unfixable. As I faced a health crisis with no medical support, everything was spiraling out of control. Abandoned by my doctors, I felt complete panic, shock, and rage. Traditionally, we hand our health over to others to take care of. Think about it. We are born in the hands of doctors, and from that moment on, we rely on them and often accept less than favorable health outcomes. It's like handing over the keys to your life to someone else, hoping they'll steer you in the right direction. Throughout life, your health will fall into one, if not all three buckets: good, poor, or somewhere in the middle. Left unaddressed, anxiety, depression, burnout, insomnia, and pain lead to heart and lung disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's, the leading cause of disability and death. So I ask, who here knows someone living in pain or with a health condition that impacts their quality of life? Raise your hand. According to the CDC, Center for Disease Control, pre-pandemic, over 50% of adult Americans lived with at least one chronic condition. Which side of the 50% do you live in? Choosing to be your own health partner from this moment on will change your life. When doctors told me there was absolutely no hope, I had a choice to either give up or dare to differ from what they believed was possible. As I sat alone, it struck me that I had been putting all of my trust in others when there was only one person that would always be there for me and that I could count on: me. Leading me to ask, shouldn't I be the expert on my health? At that moment, I knew there had to be something better. I made a commitment to take charge by advocating for myself. To date, this sent me on a continuing mission of 7 years of dedicated research to understand how to effectively engage with my health. Along the way, I discovered something truly remarkable: my endocannabinoid system, a system we are all born with that is vital for our survival. It regulates and balances critical life functions like cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive, or even your fight or flight response to stress. This was my aha moment. Understanding that my body was out of whack, and I found my unique inner compass. By understanding how to include my ECS, made it possible to eliminate 28 prescribed medications, reduce pain from a level of 10 to 3, and stabilize my lung health. Creating an effective compass as my guide, I now live a healthier life, one that I never thought possible or never dared to dream it could be this good. We've been ignoring the one body system that helps guide our health. Nowhere in my medical education, laboratory work, or health struggles was I introduced to the fact that we have an endocannabinoid system. Even today, it's overlooked in most high schools, universities, and medical schools. So it's up to us to dive into this incredible world of connecting with our mind and body. Have you ever stopped to think about how your thoughts shape your emotions? Or how well do you really know your body? Get ready to explore the intricate interplay between your thoughts and health and how they jointly shape the narrative of your life. Our ECS serves us in our emotional responses. Think about it. How often do your thoughts about your appearance, how others perceive you, or your bad memories occupy your mind? What about your inner self, the one that's not visible to anyone else? We're bombarded by these thoughts daily. Did you know that you have around 50,000 daily thoughts swirling in your mind? But here's the cool part. You can learn to take charge of your thoughts. How much power do you give them? And which ones do you allow to shape your day? Have you ever wondered how to stay true to yourself and discard thoughts that don't contribute positively to your well-being? It's a skill. Learning to challenge your thoughts rather than just letting them dictate your mood and mindset. So as you navigate through your day, remember this. Your thoughts are tools. You can use them to build yourself up or let them tear you down. Learning to manage your thoughts and release the ones that bring no value is a skill that can truly shape how you experience life. What's even as crucial as your thoughts is the responsibility to maintain your health. No one plans to live in chronic pain or poor health. Well, I certainly didn't. But here's the deal. Good health doesn't just magically happen. Do you think good health will always be there like an invincible shield? No. I know you want to live your best health, yet we are not empowered to be in charge and understand how to engage with our health or our endocannabinoid system. Your health is like a treasure chest, and you hold the key. Imagine this. Your body is like a secret code, always sending you messages. Sometimes it whispers, and other times it shouts. But did you listen? Take a moment. Think about a moment when you notice something's not quite right, perhaps a nagging discomfort or a subtle shift in your energy. Instead of letting these signals fade away into the background, become your own investigator. Ask questions and seek to understand what your body is trying to tell you. Your body is your best friend, designed to work for you. Who knows how you think and feel better than you? Being your best ally in your health is building a partnership with your emotional and physical self. Can you recall when you took the time to sit with yourself and get acquainted? It's about beginning a dialogue with your inner wisdom and body. Learn to listen to positive thoughts. Check in with your body. Observe changes and pay attention to little things like your hair, fingernails, skin, and mood. They all tell a story about you. Actively participate in decisions that impact your well-being. This isn't about blindly following advice. It's about engaging in a conversation, respecting your inner wisdom, and working in harmony with your body. You own a singular existence. You are a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that no one else can replicate. In a world that often encourages conformity, I implore you to wholeheartedly embrace who you are, your beliefs, and your aspirations. Never underestimate your worth or compromise your potential. The present moment is your canvas. Paint it with your passions, your dreams, and your authenticity. Here is a practice to empower you on your health journey. Find a comfortable, quiet space to sit, and for 5 minutes, listen to your thoughts. Which ones are present, and how do they serve you? Now look at your body. What is a new observation you haven't noticed before? I promise you'll find something. Give yourself gratitude for all that you have accomplished today. Step by step, the quest towards being the finest expression of yourself and embracing the mastery of your individuality hinge on the investment of time and commitment to be your health's best partner. Remember, knowing yourself from the inside out is a compass guiding you toward the pinnacle of your potential. Listen to your body's whispers. Become a discerning interpreter of its message. When you seek guidance from medical experts, remember that you're not relinquishing control, you're forging a partnership, a dynamic synergy where your voice is just as essential as theirs. It's about nurturing a relationship with your body and advocating for your well-being and embracing the transformative dare to differ by taking ownership of your health. So as you go about your days, remember that your thoughts are your tools. Your health is your treasure. Your journey starts now. You get only one health and one life. Embrace who you are. Seize the moments and find joy and awareness. You're not here to meet others' expectations, but you're here to let your unique light shine. The world is waiting for your brilliance. Go ahead, guide your compass, be confident, dare to be different, be healthy, and illuminate the world with your authentic self.